Normal people walking downstairs. Me walking downstairs. You want your memes now? Do you want them fresh? We'll call 1-800-MEME-MOBILE and you can get your memes fresh from the Meme Mobile. Remember, call 1-800-MEME-MOBILE. That's right, Meme Mobile. Just driving along. Oh yeah, you dudes want some free candy? Yeah, we got free candy in here, and we also got free Wi-Fi, as you can see. Yes, I will steal your children. I mean, you want free Wi-Fi? You got free Wi-Fi. Get in the van. I was just sitting here in the car playing some Call of Duty Mobile, and I realized I'm apparently an oven now. That's a thing. So I was sitting here again, same spot, and I looked around after playing some Call of Duty Mobile, okay? And I saw this store, and it's called What's Upon a Child, but it doesn't say what's on the child. I'm so confused. Why would you make it that? Okay. I was just wondering why the printer was making some noise. Let's see why it was making a noise. Here, you got the... Oh, okay. So it's a meme. Well, that's weird. If I take... This is just a normal keyboard, see? But if I turn it all the way up, and I put my hand down here, it shakes everything. I wonder what happens if I do. Well, it sounds like a rocket. Okay. We need to improve our fort.
Okay. Improved!
Yo, it's your boy Ethan.
How's that ASM? Hey Christian, what do you think of that alien on your back?
Huh?
Wait, which one?
The one behind you?
Make sure our kids are okay.
I'm telling you, there's an alien behind him. You're doing geography, and I just paused it because I was getting ready to use the bathroom. And then, what is this? All I did was pause it. I'm so confused. I was just listening to all the countries of Europe. What?
Yeah, you better take this home after you eat.
What are you doing, little Timothy?
Oh, I'm just making this. It's a perfect description of what I'm gonna look like in the future. Wait a second. If I have a future.
Yeah, actually, I haven't practiced yet. We just had to.